Watashi no YouTube channel re yokoso. If you're wondering what did I just say and why am I dressed like this, I said welcome to my YouTube channel in Japanese. And why am I doing this? Because today I am going to show you a magnificent real estate complex which is an impeccable unification of Indian hospitality and Japanese craftsmanship. I present to you Krisumi Waterfall Residences. But before we unveil this beautiful real estate project, let me give you a food for thought. What differentiates an average product from a great product? What I believe that what differentiates an average product from a cult or a great product is the story or the vision which is woven around some simple yet impactful elements. And that's what we're going to see today at Waterfall Residences. Being a nature lover myself, I've always admired famous poet William Wordsworth, and I still remember few lines from one of his famous poem written in March. There's joy in the mountains, there's life in the fountains. Small clouds are sailing, blue skies prevailing. Rain is over and gone. Nikin Seke, which is one of the largest architectural firms in the world, are the architects and the master planners of this project. They have also taken their inspiration from nature and used 8 elements to conceptualize this project. And the elements are Taki, Kekkai, Hikari and Kage, Tsubinova, Ingawa, Anzen and Tahi, and Kayose. Kayose means Japanese stroll garden. And the concept has been used in the project in order to avoid artificial ornamentation and use more and more natural elements. Starting from the pavement, natural stones have been used instead of mosaic tiles. Not only the pavement, but a lot of other areas like swimming pool, terrace garden in the club and kids play area and many more areas, same concept has been utilized.
The project is an eclectic mix of 2 3 LDKs and 4 LDK duplex penthouses. The project has a total 433 apartments and 3 towers.
Right now we are standing at the drop-off point of Sales Gallery of Krisumi, and this is not just a simple sales gallery, it is the manifestation of the actual living experience that you are going to have at Waterfall Residences. So without any further ado, let's just check this out. Apart from Kayose, there is one more element which has been used in the lobby of towers and clubhouse, banquet and cafe, which is Hikari and Kage. Hikari and Kage essentially means light and shadow. Can you see those louvers behind me? These louvers has been used in order to give you a combined look of light and shadow, which will give you an aesthetically pleasing look, as well as it will keep the temperature low. In fact, whatever you are seeing here in this sales gallery, even the stones on the walls, floors, the louvers, wooden louvers, every element is going to be same in the project. In fact, this is the only project in Gurgaon that I have seen where even the upholstery fabric of the sofas have been finalized before even launching the project. So let's jump to the next Japanese element, which is Tsubi Nova. Tsubi Nova represents the Zen philosophy of minimalism, which means less is more. And the same concept has been used at different places in the project like jacuzzi, gymnasium, spa, treatment room and theater. And theater is the part that we are going to see next. Check this place out. This is beautiful, luxurious, suave and elegant. You are going to get the same kind of theater in the project. And I think I am going to, premiere all my projects, all my YouTube videos here if I would have been a resident of this place. This is my place.
Waterfall Residences.
Taki means waterfall in Japanese, and the facade of the project has been conceptualized as a waterfall formation with straight line architecture, where the step tower crown represents steps in a waterfall, the podium represents base, and the clubhouse Sudare reflects the glittering water splash.
So this is how the lift lobby of every tower is going to look like. Look at the grandeur, the luxury and the sense of arrival that you are going to have once you arrive into the apartment. There will be overall 7 lifts, out of which 4 will be passenger lifts, 2 will be shuttle lifts from basement to ground floor and 1 will be service lift. So finally, the time has come that I show you the sample apartment. 3 LDK is the Japanese equivalent of 3 BHK in India. Since this is a Japanese inspired project, so that's why they've used this nomenclature 3 LDK. So great things have great beginnings. So right at the entrance of the door, let me show you the door first. This is a heavy duty veneer wooden door and it is almost fireproof. It can stand the fire for approximately 2 hours. So it is almost fireproof. Next is your foyer, and after the foyer you have on your left hand side, you have this living dining area, which is a very good size living dining area for this size of apartment. So this is the living and dining area. The living dining area and the walkways have engineered wooden flooring. Engineered wooden flooring lasts for a longer time. Aesthetically, it looks more beautiful and it is termite proof, dust proof and easy to maintain. So in case of the first bedroom, you have an option to choose from a TV room, open room or a closed room. In case of the closed room, you will have walls here and the door from here. I really love this concept of this TV room. I would love to watch Doraemon and Shin-chan with my son, and sometimes if I get late and my wife gets angry, I can sleep here by installing a sofa cum bed here. So this is an open kitchen, but you have an option to choose from an open kitchen to a closed kitchen. In case of closed kitchen, there will be walls here and there will be an entrance from here. The size of this kitchen is 11.5 by 8 inch. In terms of the kitchen furnishing, you get a modular kitchen. You get the same leather finish granite top, lower and upper cabinets. It is all soft close. You get a chimney and a hob. This is not part of the sales. You'll get the space here and also this place for the refrigerator. Right next to the kitchen, you have the utility balcony, which goes towards the utility room. This area will be open to sky, and this is your utility balcony. You have a VRV AC external unit installed in this utility balcony. So this is your second bedroom. The size of this room is 11 by 12. You can use this room as your kids' room. It also has an attached washroom to it. This is the space of the utility room. You have an option to get this room as a servant room or as a storeroom or as a study room. I would love to have this as a study room because after COVID you need some space to work from your home. And I would love to have a library here and a lot of books, and I can do my sales planning by sitting here at my ease. And this is your third room, the master room. The size of this room is 12 into 15 and a half feet. You can see this is a very good sized master bedroom. You get a laminated wooden flooring. In fact, in all the rooms you get laminated wooden flooring and wall mounted ACs of Daikin. Here you can create some space for your wardrobe, and in case of extra need of space, you can create wardrobes here, as this wooden paneling is slightly ahead of the main wall, and you can create that wardrobe space here as well. Apart from everything else, one more great thing about this apartment is the large balcony. I can imagine myself having a cup of coffee or tea in the evening and, having a look at the cityscape. Nothing can be better than this. So Taihi means contrast in Japanese. On my right hand side is Ikigrey and on my left hand side is Zen Beige. This you have already seen in the sample apartment, and this is the Zen Beige theme. This is the customization option that you get inside your apartment. You will get this kind of granite top, this kind of lower cabinets, and this color of upper cabinets.
The strategic location of Waterfall Residences provides it with dual connectivity to Delhi NCR. Krisumi Waterfall Residences is located at Sector 36A of Gurugram. It is situated at the junction of Dwarka Expressway and Central Peripheral Road, which is also known as CPR. The project is also connected to NH48, which is just 1800 meters away via CPR. All of this makes the project one of the most accessible projects of Gurugram. Tata Projects Limited, which is known for its stringent construction protocols, is chosen as the construction partner for Waterfall Residences. You can see that the construction is in full swing, and in one shift around 900 workers are deployed, which is huge for this size of project.